So you all are eagerly waiting for your CBSE board examination center and to download your admit card. So let me show you the real time picture to download your admit card and know the examination center. For this, I would like to take you to the official website of CBSE. This is your CBSE official website. Once you are coming here, you will find out so many slots. I want to take you to Pariksha Sangam. Yes, from here we'll get all the information about your examination and download the admit card detail. So let us continue. Yes. So here you will find Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati. Let me take you to school, Ganga. So many slots are there. I will take you for pre-exam activity. Here, this is your versus teachers data, registration of 11th, 12th, all these things are there. In order to get your admit card, your principal, they will find your admit card downloaded here. And you have been continuously asking me about your admit card, examination center, all these things. It is not live now, and this will be coming by the end of this month. And this slot is for the schools where your examination center is selected or fixed by CBSE. Yesterday actually CBSE has given a letter to all the superintendent of examination center, all the exam superintendent. So they will fill the data, and by tomorrow, 24th is the last date to submit that one. By tomorrow, it will be submitted to CBSE. So within 2-3 days, by the end of this week, or latest by end of this month, these two slots will be live. So you can get your admit card downloaded here, and the exam centers, the school centers, they will get all the material here. So that is why continuously you have been asking me, you don't take much tension, you focus on your studies because your studies are more important. And of course, time to time I will be giving you all the updates, and even tomorrow, next session, I will be giving the clear detail, all the guidelines for the candidate, I mean for the students, center superintendent, observer, assistants, means all the guideline I will be giving you for CBSE board examination 2023. So this is a short session for you. Once again we'll meet in the next session. Goodbye.